Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is how to design website. What we discuss on today, how to design website. Here I am creating a just logo and menu. Today in this tutorial, this is the part one of the website tutorial, part one of the website designing. In this tutorial, I will explain about the how to create a logo and how to create menu. I will explain each and everything step by step. Next, how to add hero image and how to add about us profile, total and footer. Totally, I will explain each and everything step by step with the parts also. Okay, I will go to explain about the how to create this one. How to create menu and logo. Here, just I am create the index.html. Section here, body section. Here just I am create the div class logo. Image source from images folder, image logo .png. href from index.html alt SHS Tech Solutions. Yeah, okay. Once we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Next, I will write the CSS for this. ID equal to just logo. Next, here margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, dot logo with 50% right left. Okay, here I am called the CSS file. Link relation, style sheet, href from CSS folder, style.css, type test.css. Okay, once we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Next, I will write the CSS for this image with 40%, right, 200 pixel, margin top 30 pixel, paste. Okay, this is the output. This is the logo creation. Next, I'll write the menu. Here, I will create the another div class main menu. UL class menu. Li href services. Okay, so we'll check the output. This is the output. Here I'm create the float left and width 50%. Next, class menu, list style type, none. Dot menu, list style type, none. Text decoration, none. Display, okay. Yeah. Text decoration, none. Okay. Okay, this is the output. And next I will write with 120 pixel, dot menu, li width. This is the output. Okay, next LIA color white, background color blue. Okay, next padding 10 pixel, border radius 5 pixel. Okay, next LIA hover, background color Okay. So guys, this is the process to create logo on menu. I hope we all are understand how to create logo on menu. This is the first header section of the website, and the next I will explain the how to add hero image and how to add about us, how to add product services, careers and contact us. I will explain each and everything step by step. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.